The opinions presented in this video are solely those of Big David One and reflect his personal views. They do not represent the opinions of anyone else.
Yeah, the single. See where that says X32?
Elev8 Fun Center in Jensen Beach, Florida, is a lively entertainment hub designed for families, friends, and thrill seekers of all ages. This modern facility combines high-energy attractions with a welcoming atmosphere, making it a go-to destination for fun on the Treasure Coast. The center offers a wide variety of activities, including arcade games, bowling lanes, laser tag, mini golf, and thrilling go-kart tracks that bring out the competitive spirit in visitors. Each attraction is tailored to provide a mix of excitement and challenge, ensuring there is something for everyone.
What makes Elev8 stand out is its ability to blend classic entertainment with cutting-edge technology. The arcade features a mix of nostalgic favorites and the latest interactive games, while the go-karts deliver a rush of adrenaline on their sleek tracks. Beyond the games, Elev8 also offers, making it convenient to spend an entire day without leaving the venue. The center frequently hosts birthday parties, corporate events, and group outings, creating memorable experiences in a dynamic setting.
Overall, Elev8 Fun Center has become a cornerstone of leisure in Jensen Beach. By combining variety, accessibility, and excitement, it continues to provide a space where people can gather, play, and make lasting memories.
That's because of too many cars very close by. Yeah. I did.
Overall, Elev8 Fun Center has become a cornerstone of leisure in Jensen Beach. By combining variety, accessibility, and excitement, it continues to provide a space where people can gather, play, and make lasting memories.
Air shuffleboard. State-of-the-art electric go-karts. Glow putt-putt golf. Laser tag.
Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. I hope this was helpful and I hope you enjoyed it. When you get a chance, if you would please subscribe to my channel, that would help us out. Thank you.